Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about PharmaMar, and it is listed in London Stock Exchange. Now if you look at this stock, the stock has indeed uh, seen a phenomenal rise. And it's been rising since 2018 end. So from the lows of 2018 the stock is risen by 1179%. So in terms of rise it is exceptional, and the trend, if you look at the trend, it is indeed phenomenal, and these kind of rise are very much normal nowadays, what we can say here. But as if you are logical, if you think logical, and as and when the sense prevail in the market, sometime will, then things may reverse back to the normal or to the mean. Now understand this, I'm not saying that stock will go down. We cannot say like this, because the simple way to identify a trend is, if the trend is up, then accept that it is going up, and if it is down, then accept it is going down. The problem is, even we are professional or non-professional, we have our own thoughts based on XYZ information, and we will think that something will probably happen. If things will happen either for the positive or the negative side, the stock will react accordingly. Okay, so it's a culmination of the efforts which put up by hundreds or thousands of people who have invested in the stock, who are continuously buying and selling the stocks. So if you want to think as a contrarian, then what you can do is identify the trend beforehand. So identifying a trend as a contrarian, and if something is going up and you will continuously say that will go down, so there is a difference between both of these things. Okay, now if you look at this trend, you can see that the trend has changed over a period of time. Let me just show you. So this was your previous trend. Okay, this was your previous trend. You can check the support level like this here. So you have your support and resistance level, which you can call as a trend line. So this is your trend line, previous trend line. Let me just draw all the support and resistance level properly, so that you can see and check yourself that whatever is happening, there is a synchronicity in the trend, and nothing is happening like there is no tomorrow and something unnecessary which is happening in the trend. So that's not the case here. In most of the stock, things will happen, and stocks are move or will move in a symmetrical fashion, which we can calculate and which we can look at. Now this was your previous move. Now understand, the stock has changed its trend. Now this is your current trend. Okay, so we have to first identify the trend, and we have to then go along with the trend. Okay, so identifying trend beforehand can be considered as a contrarian bet, but those people do not do it for like 1 or 2 days. Those are basically long term people who can identify a trend beforehand and stick to that trend, and they are not doing for like 1 or 2 days purpose. Even they are traders or they are investors. So there is a difference about what you are thinking and what you are saying. Now this is your current trend. Now understand the trend. As per this trend, you have a clear-cut breakout, and the trend has changed uh, since the March of 2020. Now, according to the current trend, you have your first support level at 88.85, and if the stock breaks 88.85, then you have your next support at 68, and then 57. So these are the important or the most important thing which you need to know and look for as your support level, because that's where the risk lies. And if you do not understand how to manage your risk, then probably you are playing with your profits and ultimately with your money. Don't do it. So these are your support levels, and following of which you can take decision that whether you want to hold on or you want to close your position, and how much risk you want to take or how much it is possible for you to take. Now on the upside, if you look at the big target, because here the trend is for long term or multiple year target, then you can look for a price which will fall in between 180 to 270, because we don't know the exact way uh, for the price to move, because we don't know whether it will move like this or this or this or even this. So whatever is visible for us, we can forecast or we can predict based on that thing only. And here you can probably see, if you just extend this line, okay, you can probably see that the stock may go and touch the resistance line and the price will fall in between 180 to 270 on the upside. So this is about the trend. Most importantly, the stock will go up, but understand one thing, that it should not break the trend line, otherwise it would be a problem, and you should be prepared for that before taking any trend, and not like you just jumped in and the stock started correcting and you don't know what to do. Okay, so I hope that you like this video. If you indeed like this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.